Happy Wednesday. It's the first day of October and I decided to make shelf-stable chili. So I have some small red beans that I pre-soaked overnight. I'm going to rinse those off and put them in a fresh stock pot of water and I'm going to boil those for 30 minutes. Make sure you cover them pretty good. You can see kind of how much is covered from my video. While that's boiling for the 30 minutes, I'm prepping my meat, which is 2 pounds of ground beef and 1 pound of ground sausage. And I'm adding garlic powder, onion powder, and Redmond's real salt. I cannot give precise measurements because I'm just seasoning to the taste of what I like. Redmond's real salt is a great choice because it does not have iodine in it when you come for canning. So I have 2 bell peppers cut up and a half of a Vidalia onion. And I'm going to brown this all the way through. And I'm doing that because I want to be able to taste the chili to see if it has the great flavor that I would like. My beans are all done and they're sitting in the strainer, and now I'm going to prepare my sauce. I have 6 pounds, 10 ounces of San Marzanos. I'm going to immersion blend these San Marzanos up, and then I'm going to add my chili beans to it as well as my meat mixture. This recipe is similar to one of my favorite content creators, Make It Make, and I am going to add in 1 quart of beef broth. And I'm also going to add in 3 quarts of water. You want to kind of have it soupy because it's going to thicken up during the canning process. So I'm adding 2 cans of Rotel, 2 cans of tomato paste, and I'm also going to add a little bit of sugar in there and some chili powder and some cumin as well. So one thing I saw one of my favorite content creator, Megan Make, do is she added seasoning packets. So I have a big stock pot full of chili and it's in my hot water bath canner. So I'm adding 4 packets, which may seem like a lot, but it's not because of how watery this is. So it turned out to be a great flavor. And I'm going to go ahead and load up my jars. So I have 16 pints and 2 quarts. I'm going to put I'll clean my rims off, and I added my lids. I have 4 jars lids, which are my favorite. And I'm going to pressure can this for 75 minutes. I have 9 on the bottom, 7 on the top, and 75 minutes at 11 pounds of pressure, and the quarts were pressure canned at 90 minutes. Happy canning.